This is very good. Yes, after 12 minutes, we are a game. If somebody, if it's a remake now, I'm really gonna fucking throw my PC out of the fucking window.
Uses AD carry and then he plays fucking Samira. Jesus.
Should I go Duran Shield or Blade?
It depends. Depends if you want to play really aggressive or if you think that
I don't know this champion, so I'm gonna go Shield.
Yeah.
He is respecting me though. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, he needs to watch out as well. Well, that's the main thing about it. He needs to...
No, he missed the big one. No, the big one. No, I'm missing the minions. I missed one minions and I start missing them all. Yes. Oh yes.
It's not how it usually goes.
This is actually how it usually goes. Yes. He's doing the scuttle because I have pressure. Yeah? I have pressure in the lane.
Actually surprises me that he ganks this early.
Oh wow, okay, I thought I did more damage honestly. Walk up. Okay, no ult top for both of the parties. Not me, not him. We both have teleport, so there's just awkward trades. not eventually turning into fucking kills, you know. Just awkward trades. So back off.
Actually no, I have nothing to fear here.
Fuck off. I can't do shit.
Now I'm gonna back. Much better. Get boots.
Oh. Yeah, sorry buddy, but I couldn't do more than that, you know, because
Blimp. Yeah, the blimp's here, buddy.
Hello.
Whee!
Okay dan. Ult voor ult, I guess. Ow. Oh, what? Excuse me? I one-shot him. What? He was like 500 HP. How do I do so much damage? What? Okay then. I guess I'll take it. I don't mind. This guy is like struggling to get one minion, and I'm here, like getting all the minions. Push that lane in. Let's go. Oh yes. You really want to fight this? I don't know if that's a great idea, my guy. I really don't.
He waves clear. He clears waves. He clears waves pretty easily though.
Damn! What? Okay, how did he? Okay, he just fucking predicted my movements. Okay, I just got fucked. I flashed out.
I'm not sure if you want to do this, buddy.
What are you doing, man?
Oh. She saw us all, by the way, so.
What? I wasn't looking at her. What? Okay, I wasn't looking at her, but what? Okay, wait. No, I wasn't looking at her.
Kill him, man.
I think I just solo lost my lane. Yeah, I just fucked up. Top lane?
I'm turning fucking 20 this year, man.
Wait, I'm turning 24 this fucking year. What the hell?
Yeah, I'm turning 22 this year, dude.
I feel so old. I failed my dash over the wall. I hope nobody saw that. For fuck's sake, man.
What can I do? I could TP to like middle.
You can.
Yeah, I'll TP.
Ah! No! Hey, I got some kills though. I just got some kills. Did we get better? Oh, yeah, we did.
I feel like I'm not playing bad, but that.
Neither am I. I got 2 kills there. I'm happy.
You're playing fine. You're playing fine.
Hey, that engage was grandiose. Mucho grande.
I'm coming, little kitty cat. I'm on the way.
I'm coming too. Maybe this wasn't such a great idea!
We fight this, easily.
Here we go! I'm dying! No, no!
Oh, she heals so much, dude. Jeez, what the fuck?
I don't know, this fucking Samira, man. Oh, this brings out the worst in people, man. This champion.
Wait, you one-shotted her or something? What?
Practically did.
What happened? I said, come on, man. Can I move? Like, let me just move. I just want to play the game, okay? I want to have a chance. Ooh, battle of the...
Ah, man!
Battle of the two titans. And suddenly a cow.
Come on, man! This is a battle of the titans, not battle of the titans and the cow. What the fuck? And then a wild cow appeared. What are you doing here?
There as well.
They're gonna dive me, by the way. They want me. They want my ass. Alright. They're gonna dive me.
I shall say, I bid you farewell.
What the fuck? I'm coming!
She just killed herself. Okay,
What?
I killed
Okay,
myself.
she killed you.
Yeah, no, she can do her Q midst getting stunned. She's dead, isn't she?
What the hell, man? Okay, I know.
Oh, you procced her thingy. Her immortal shield buff. So that's good, that's in your favor. You should watch out now though. No, you shouldn't have dashed in again.
Meanwhile.
As soon as you can't stun her, there's no use in...
What the fuck?
How did I knock you up?
Oh, the healing!
Hello?
How the fuck do you
What did
still
she
knock me?
do it? Why is she on the row?
What the hell? Where's this game, man?
Why is the Yumi pushing up top lane on the row?
Rengar, no. No, Rengar, no! Bad Rengar. Don't go in.
Stop.
No, Rengar, no! Bad Rengar. Don't go in.
Rengar.
No, Rengar, what are you doing? Oh, you idiot. You massive idiot. No, bro, what the fuck? I can't get on them. I have so much
so
ulti,
much
but
more
I
to
still
speak.
can't do shit. Yeah, I played that badly. I wanted to force something because if I didn't...
No, it was fine, it was a nice try. They just outskilled and Samira's stupid.
It's Rengar, man. What is he doing?
So what is it guys' rank then? I mean, right now it's gold. The highest I've ever been is flex rank diamond and platinum 2 on solo duo or platinum 3. I don't know.
Yes.
But I'm just playing new champions right now. I want to get, you know, I just thought about it. Like, no, I didn't really think about it. Like, I saw it on, I saw it on Reckless's stream, and he was talking about how cool it